Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to view Instagram private accounts photos. Photos from private accounts on Instagram are only visible to their approved followers. Respecting privacy is crucial, but here's how you can view photos ethically. The first step is to send a follow request to the private account. You can choose the account. You can start by going to your Instagram account, and if you don't have one and you don't have an Instagram app, just go to Play Store and download the app by searching in the search bar for Instagram, and instead of the open button here, you're gonna have an install button. Now as you can see, I already installed the application, so I'm just gonna open it. After that, let's go to the search for the Instagram page you want to view the profile picture for. I don't know, it can be anything, and send a request for them if they have a private account. The second step is to wait for the account owner to accept your request. Now once accepted, their post will appear in your feed or profile view, and you can check their profile account by going I'm just gonna use a public account for this, like this, and tap on the profile icon for a few seconds and the profile picture will appear. Now for additional tips, avoid using unauthorized tools or apps claiming to bypass privacy settings. This may violate Instagram's policies and put your account at risk. And always respect others' privacy settings. The best way to view private accounts photos is by requesting to follow the account. Building trust is a key to accessing and respecting their content. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.